whenever we are choosing a career path, there are many hidden constraints related to it, which we don't realize unless we feel it or experience it. So, as a physics student, there are many things which I have faced, which I never considered I would have ever faced, and people really asked me a lot about these things. So, one of those questions is about the economic situation, how much you are going to earn, and what will be the scenario of your job and all those things. So before that, if you want to know how to make career in the field of theoretical physics, astrophysics, cosmology, etc., so I have already made a video on it, and you can find that on my channel or on my Instagram page. Now related to this, that what are the job scenarios and all those things. So basically there are a lot of job perspective. If you are pursuing your studies in the field of physics, you can either join any research facility, or you can go in the academia and become, professor and lecturer. You can do postdoc after your PhD. Then you can also go in corporate. A lot of physicists end up into corporate world and doing many computational work and all those things. So these are the job perspective. Now talking about the earning part, if you want to become a physicist, so of course it's going to take a lot of time, and it requires a lot of patience and a lot of effort. From my personal view, most of my friends are earning right now and they are independent, but as my career path is very long, then and that's why I have to wait. And you will face these things, that you will see that people around you have started to earn, and that might discourage you. But you have to understand that whatever you're choosing because you love it, not because of the money. Money might be the constraint at the beginning, but that should not be the something which should bother you, because in the field of science, no one goes for money. If you want to earn money, you can go to any other field, you can earn tons of it. But if you want to do science, then these things should not be in your head. Now another thing is the self doubt. What if I'm not good enough to do this? What if I'm not eligible to do this? What if it is not in my capacity? There is no end to this question, what if. You can go to endless scenario with this what if. But the thing is that whatever is possible can be done. For example, if you are thinking that you are very weak in maths, but you want to make a career in theoretical physics, and as we all know that mathematics is very much required, then you don't have to see that whether I can do this or not. Simply you just have to start practicing about it, and you have to start doing this. Otherwise you cannot do this. It's good to ask these questions because life is not easy. There are many constraints, many scenarios which bothers us a lot. But patience is the key, consistency and passion. These three things are the key. If you want to make a successful career in this field, then you must go for these things. So if you are having any question, you can write down in the comment section, and thank you.